Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable the Ask Every Time option for microphone access on Telegram, so you stay fully in control of when the app can use your mic. If you've ever wanted more privacy while using Telegram, this setting is exactly what you need. Instead of giving the app constant access to your microphone, you can make your phone ask for permission every single time. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device permissions are managed. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be called Apps and Notifications or something similar. Now look for Telegram in the list of installed apps and tap on it. This will open the app's info page where you can control everything related to Telegram. From here, tap on Permissions. This section shows what Telegram is allowed to access on your device, like your camera, contacts, and microphone. Find and tap on Microphone. This is where you can change how Telegram interacts with your mic. You'll now see a few options. Select Ask Every Time. Once you enable this, Telegram will no longer have automatic access to your microphone. Instead, your phone will prompt you each time the app wants to use it, giving you full control over your privacy. And that's it. From now on, you decide when Telegram can access your microphone. This setting is especially useful if you're concerned about background access or just want tighter control over your device permissions. If this helped, make sure to check out more quick Telegram tips to keep your account secure and customized just the way you like it.